Welcome to LanTaichi. Today we will practice together 八段锦. Number 1. 双手托天. This move is said to stimulate the triple burner, aka, triple warmer, or triple heater, 三焦. It consists of an upward movement of the hands, which are loosely joined and travel up the center of body. Number 2. Drawing the bow to shoot the eagle. While in a lower horse stance, you imitate the action of drawing a bow to either side. It is said to exercise the waist area, focusing on the kidneys and spleen. Number 3. Separate heaven and earth. This resembles a version of the first piece with the hands pressing in opposite directions, one up and one down. A smooth motion in which the hands switch positions. Oops. Sometimes the accident happened. The camera fell down. Let's continue. A smooth motion in which the hands switch position is the main action, and it is said to especially stimulate the stomach. Number 4. Look back. This is a stretch of the neck to the left and to the right. And this is a stretch of the neck in an alternating fashion. And pay attention to when you do this action. Breathe in when you look back, and then breathe out when you're back to the formal, and breathe in and breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. Number 5. Sway the head and shake the tail. This movement is said to regulate the function of heart and lungs. Its primary aim is to remove excess heat or fire, we say in Chinese, 心火, from the heart. It is associated with the traditional Chinese medicine. In performing this piece, you squat in a low horse stance, Places the hands on sides with the elbows facing out and twists to glance backwards on each side. And pay attention to breathe in and breathe out. Number 6. 2 hands hold the feet to strengthen the kidneys and the waist. This movement involves a stretch upwards followed by a forward bend and a holding of the toes. So now I show the side view. You can follow me. Just don't forget bending to the front, forward, and then holding up again, bending to the front, forward, holding up. When you're bending, you breathe in now and breathe out through your nose. Breathe in again and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Number 7. Clench the fists and glare fiercely. This movement resembles the second piece, and it is largely a punching movement, either to the sides or front, or you can say forward while in a horse stance. This is the most external of the pieces, is aimed at increasing general vitality and muscular strength. So follow me, you can see all the details of hands and then back to the center. Number 8, bouncing on the toes. This is a push upward from the toes with a small rocking motion on landing. And the gentle shaking vibration of this piece is said to smooth out the qi after practice the preceding 7 pieces. Now is the final relaxation. Just feel the environment, feel the wind, feel the atmosphere, feel the harmony between human's body and the nature. And don't forget, breathe in and breathe out. Put your both palms towards your dantian. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.